SQLephants, and I'm Mark,
I'm Mitch.
I'm Max.
I'm Dustin.
I'm Alexio.
and we have an app that's called Intellipath. Our research question is pretty simple. With just their SOL and SAT scores, students in high schools have potential to get an intelligent prediction of where they can or should go to college based on the data supplied by the VLDS database. We have many functions in SQL that allow us to retrieve data from the VDOE database that will give us data on SAT and SQL averages by high school, by division, and by state. We'll start off with SOL.
Students can begin by adding whatever scores they want for whichever subject test that they choose. If they happen to leave some subjects blank, it'll just default to 0 in the graphs that are shown below. Once they're done entering inputs for their scores, they can select race, gender, disability, LEP, and disadvantage status, as well as selecting their division school or just having statewide averages shown.
Below you can see the data that has been displayed for the user to compare their scores with. As you can see, the county that we selected has all of the scores offered in the schools in that county. The scores that you now see in blue. The scores that you have entered above are shown in red. As you can see, when you hover over it, this is an interactive graph, and you can see your actual score compared to the average of that county. What you can also do is by selecting all division and all school, you can also retrieve the averages of the entire state, and if you should choose to do so, you can view the averages for that specific school that you choose. Below, we offer resources to better your SOL score, such as JLab SOL practice, VDOE SOL practice items, and SOL pass. One thing to mention is that if no scores are shown for certain subjects, that means that the VDLS database does not have data for that specific school.
And now we're going to go and show you what we can do with kids' SAT scores.
So for SAT, it's kind of like SOL. You can enter in your reading, math, and writing from your last SAT, and you can also search by your school individually or the entire state.
And below, just like the SOL, we have an interactive SAT graph that shows you the averages for your selections. In this selection, I believe we chose a certain school. So what these results are showing is the average SAT scores from that school compared to what you inputted. Just like the SOL scores, you can hover over it in order to show you what the average is in blue. And if you hover over it in red, that'll be your score. If you scroll down some more, you can see another interactive table that we've had, which actually allows you to see how your scores stack up to other colleges in Virginia. Our table allows you to order by the different subjects for the SAT test, so you can see kind of how you stack up compared to other schools as far as these subjects go. So it can kind of give students a really good idea as to where they kind of fit in with the colleges in Virginia and what they should aspire to achieve if they hope to get into a school that's above their position. And kind of going along with that, we have resources to actually kind of make that happen. We have links to 2 kind of SAT help websites that we thought were very good for students. The first one would be actual tests to help you get ready for the SAT, and the second one would be a link to Khan Academy.
All right, and with that, we hope you enjoyed this presentation. We're the SQLephants, and we hope you like using Intellipath.